Welcome, guys. Happy Wednesday, Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into it. All right, so let's look at our Cronos DeFi coins. The coins that we are following. Let's give some quick updates on what's going on. So, first things first, just bringing up Crow. Looks like Crow had a local high of about 8.2 cents, which is awesome. It went on a nice rally. Looks like it started about the beginning of this year, around New Year's, and I'm just gonna map up. It did go up about 50%, so that's awesome. It did. I saw something where I checked the market cap, and I don't know exactly right now, but it was when it was around 8 cents even. It got back up to $2 billion market cap. So that's great, especially if you are involved with any of these next coins that I'm going to point out that we've already been following in the Cronos network. Definitely, you want to see momentum and growth with the actual Cronos native coin, and that's basically what you want to see. Because it all trickles down to the smaller cap coin, especially on the DeFi with the Cronos native coin. So they were able to get past all that, stupid FUD that we spoke about, multiple times in regards to people thinking that something was going on with crypto.com. The CEO, Chris, I believe his name is, came out immediately and addressed everything and let everybody know that all funds on crypto.com are backed one to one, meaning if you own 5 Bitcoin, they own 5 Bitcoin as well to back up what you have. And that's with every asset for every user. So it's pretty cool. That's how the exchanges should be, I believe. Binance does the same thing, and I don't know anything in regards to. Sorry, guys, I just woke up. I don't know anything in regards to like the other exchanges. Some of them are a little different, and that's why they're having some issues. So, as far as Crow, I see. As far as right now, they're having a little bit of a cool off period. We are hitting the first set of support that I think we are going to be testing. Hopefully, we can bounce off this around 7.6 cents. If we do break this support, next support will be somewhere around 7.5 cents. And other than that, the next actual big support that it'll get will be around 7.3. 7.3 will be the major support that you do not want to break. It's bounced off of this multiple times. It was resistance a couple times, but it did bounce. If you can see, one, two, and basically three times off of 7.3. So that's basically where you do not want to see it go down. If it does go down from there, then we're talking nothing. I mean, we'll have to see how the market is right now. But if we do bounce under that 6.3, now we're looking at breaking 7 cents. I'm sorry, yeah, 7.3. You're talking about breaking 7 cents and looking at around 6.7 cents as a major support level. So we'll have to take it how it goes. Hopefully, we don't see that, but this could be a chance for you to continue to add to your bag if you do see any kind of drop downs like this for your Crow. Especially if you're going to be buying and swapping coins, the exchange fees, it's in Crow. So if you're able to, let's say, you're able to get Crow for 5 cents, right? And you get a big bag of Crow, and you're just holding on to it, and you're planning on buying some of these coins that are on the DeFi. You're going to be swapping Crow. So let's say you got Crow for 5 cents, and Crow goes up to like 8 or 9 cents in the next few months, or maybe it's up to 10, 12 cents, whatever the case may be. You have it for 5 cents, obviously, right? You've already doubled your profit. But what I'm saying is you're also going to be getting double the coins on your DeFi and stuff like that, and your swaps. So let's say it charges you like 5 Crow. Well, that 5 Crow actually costs you half of really what you're paying if you look at it like that as well. So it's always good if you're going to be on DeFi to try to snag up Crow at a cheaper price, especially when you're going to be using it for transaction fees and stuff like that. 24-hour volume, 8.2 million, and the whole Cronos ecosystem looks great. Like I said, we've been, slowly moving up. Days have been going, it's been fluctuating between like $6 and $8 million for the last like week or two. So that's awesome. That's great. That's what you want to see. Tonic. Tonic is probably the one token that really has been just showing its face. It really has been just, if it does have a small retrace, it's very small, short lived, kind of gets that support, and it goes back up. It goes up and finds a new high. We're at about 6022, which is basically a local high. It's pretty much right now is what I'll say. The last time we've been anywhere near that was last year in October, and it wasn't even there. It was at 1.8, and you can see this run up. It's kind of stayed stagnant for maybe a few days, and then you saw an enormous drop, right? And then you kind of wanted to maybe run back up, went stagnant, and then that's when it started to slow bleed. This, if you look at this time and you look at this right here, it just looks so much different. It really does. This looks like natural staircase, a natural growth. This was a nice run up, but to me it just seems like it just went too fast. And whenever that does happen for any of these coins or tokens, it's going to just come back crashing down, especially at this time. It didn't stand a chance. The market was down. We went farther down after that. It just didn't stand a chance. Even if it was natural, it just wasn't going to hold because the market was not doing good as a whole. Right now, it's a different story. You have this quick shoot up, which I was, if you guys remember, I was a little nervous with this whole shoot up right here, with it going up so fast. But with the market doing great, that's how you saw this support and this staircase, this natural growth. A lot of people are jumping back into these projects. So that's awesome. As far as TA for Tonic, let me see if I can pull anything up, because right now I believe you guys are in uncharted waters, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see here. 6 months. I mean, look at this. For 6 months, it's even hard. It's been so long since you guys have been around. So the next actual support, or I'm sorry, resistance that you're going to get is 3-4. 3-4, which 3-4, if you guys are able to jump up to 3-4, let's see here. 3-4 is going to be a whopping somewhere around 50% gain that it could see. Do I think it's going to do that? I think eventually it will, but right now, it's hard to tell. I think this was the big gigapump. Tonic could get another gigapump and another leg up fast like that, or it could naturally grow. I think the natural growth is what you're going to want to see, just because it'll give you a little bit more insurance on, a massive sell-off. So we'll have to keep watching it. As far as support levels, it looks like it's found some support around 2-2, which is it's at right now, but I mean like a solid 2-2. Right now it's at 2-2-1-2. If it does retrace, it'll be at 2 even. Sorry about that. I didn't even see that other 0. So it would be at 2 even. So, which is still awesome, which is still great. If it can find that support, if it doesn't even need that support, because it did find some other support somewhere around 2-1. Like I said, it just keeps getting like little bursts and then finds some support and then another little burst. So Tonic looks great. It really does. Now, MMF, same thing. It looks great. MMF looks good. It is having a small retrace right now. It did hit a local high of around 1.5. It's back down to about 1.4, which honestly, I've already called it plenty of times. If you look back here, this was some support, major support level is where we're at. So as long as it can hold that 1.4, I think MMF is going to have another leg up, and the next leg up is going to be somewhere around 1.7 is what we're going to see, testing some kind of resistance around there. So if we do trickle down, we're probably looking at around 1.3 is going to be the next support. But we'll see how that goes. MMF's been doing great. It really has strong community behind it. We all know what we have as far as MMF and the future it holds. So I think nothing but good things for MMF, Tonic, a lot of these projects, as long as the actual market stays good, and I mean like Bitcoin, which I will bring up real quick. Bitcoin sitting at 21,230. So Bitcoin even has found some support around $21,000, which is awesome. That's great. That's what you want to see. MMF looks good. I think they're going to definitely, this next bull run that we get into, I think MMF's going to see somewhere above 10 cents, not financial advice. And the next and last is Phnx. Phnx token. It's been just this is a little bit different than Tonic and MMF because this project's so new. It's been kind of just trying to find some support and find new levels. But right now it sits at around 2012, which is honestly, if you go back here, it was it's had a nice natural run up. That this was its cool off period, and now it's trying to find some sort of a base somewhere around 1112, which is awesome. If you're able to buy in down somewhere down under this, you're making some good daily returns because they have good staking. So does MMF, and I don't know about Tonic exactly, but MMF, I believe Tonic does as well. They all have really good staking, so you can actually stake your coins. What's awesome about Phnx is you don't even have to stake your coins. As long as you hold on to Phnx, you get returns every day. Your bag just keeps growing. So that's what's awesome about Phnx. It's around 2% every day that you're going to gain as far as what your bag holds. So you can connect your wallet into phnx.com right here, phnx.finance, and you connect your wallet, and it'll basically show you what your rewards are, what they're going to be for the next, hourly, daily, and month, what you can look forward to. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Just a small cap coin alert. Everything looks good. Like I said before, 24-hour period, over $8 million. So everything's looking good. Bitcoin's sitting at around 21,200. We'll see what today brings. Yesterday, the stock market and everything was a little down. Bitcoin's still holding, so we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. This was a quick update. Thank you, guys.